Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aries, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking these cards, guys. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, Aries. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity in your circumstances, you can watch that reading. So we will start with these cards for your general energies. We have 5 of spheres in reverse, 4 of suns, and 10 of stars in reverse. So, in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are in some kind of a circumstance. Maybe you need to make a decision, you need to make an important decision today, but it is something very confusing. You have a lot of doubts, you don't know what will work or what will be the right thing. So some kind of lack of order or lack of communication in your work, something making things difficult for you to handle today, Aries. And you need to make an important choice today, and you're making a lot of efforts, honest efforts, Aries, and things are not going as you expected. Maybe some worries may be there in your heart. You don't know how things will work out for you. And for some of you, you are getting some opportunity, something you never expected. So in this difficult circumstance, you are seeing some good opportunities coming your way, something which you cannot believe is happening today for you. So some kind of improvement you may see in your circumstance. So in your relationship, Aries, maybe you were having some difficulty, some arguments would have been there, some fights maybe, and you were quite worried where things will go or what will happen in this relationship. But today, situation is improving. Maybe this person wants to talk to you, they want to tell you something important, and though it is it is the first step towards reconciliation or getting back together, you need to make use of this circumstance wisely to the best. So that way this person will understand you, and you need to make this chance work for you. So some kind of a chance for reconciliation is coming up. Maybe if you are in separation today, guys, you are just hoping and wishing this person will come back to you. There is this chance coming to you, and you need to make the best of it. Make this person understand your love. So for your relationship, we picked one card and it says Ace of Sun. So looks like this relationship will work and you will see a new beginning in love. Everything will fall into place in this connection. Maybe all that argument or whatever negative circumstance you faced, it's going to resolve today, Aries. So for your career, we picked one card, Aries. We will see what it is. And it is postulant of stars in reverse. So, with this card, maybe in your what to say circumstance today, you need to do things yourself, assess your circumstances yourself, do not depend on others, because there are people who may be exaggerating a few things. So you need to assess yourself what needs to be done, and you need to make clear decisions today, Aries, if you want success in your work circumstances. So that is the energy here with these cards. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Aries. For your love reading, guys, today we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's see what is the first card. We will keep the second card aside. So for those who chose this first card, we have mending. So in your circumstances today, maybe it is time for you to heal yourself. Maybe you have been through a difficult circumstance or you're going through a difficult heartbreak, and grief strips away our mask and loosens us, and sometimes we are so vulnerable, and it allows to see that we are part of a larger scheme called life, and we are part of that universe that is here, um, taking part in our pain and suffering, and none of us are immune to pain and suffering. So this sadness and sorrow, it breaks our heart open, and we will feel more sympathetic, empathetic, and we depend on others when we are really vulnerable, having a lot of pain, a lot of difficulty to deal with our situation, guys. So that is the energy here. So even that pain, it has a learning that comes to us that changes us in so many ways, and it changes us to something better. And maybe today we can change our circumstance, all this pain we are going through. Maybe we are with this person, or maybe we are separate, whatever the situation may be. Both of us are being affected, being hurt, and we feel that impact of this pain and sadness. So, this energy needs to be healed, and you need to overcome this. What to do? It is time for you to forgive or to release all that hurt, all that negative feelings you have, and make amends to set yourself free first. So it is not uh, to change some circumstance. It is we are helping ourselves first when we give up all these toxic feelings of pain and hurt, regret or sadness, resentments, arguments, whatever it may be. When we go through it again and again in our heart of hearts, in our memory, we are increasing the burdens we have, and we will feel more negative, more sad, and more heavy hearted. So, if you want to change all that, you need to go for forgiveness, and you need a honest redress. That is what this card is about. So, if you feel that someone has wronged you, you can forgive them. Or if you feel that you have wronged someone, you can ask sorry, make amends, and move forward with your life. So, that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading for you all, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, this is a Crystal Spirits card, guys. It is Labradorite. So, with this card, the energy is that maybe you must, give up all that fear you have in this relationship and be open, remain open to something unknown, something magical to happen in this connection, because conscious universe is here to help you and guide you in this relationship, and it is creating this magical magical connection with this person. So that loving partnership that you are dreaming about, this is the time for that. So your relationship has a great potential. You may not understand it, but this is an opportunity for you to experience that magic in this relationship. Or it is an important opportunity that will prepare you for something magical coming in your life, coming in your love life that you deserve. And you need to give up that need for certainty, need for things to go in the way you expect them to go. So when we are open to some changes, open to something unexpected, we will see guidance coming in our life, guidance helping in our relationship, and when we leave room for magic, something beautiful is waiting to unfold today that will point you towards the right direction, point you towards the right actions, and will make this relationship a loving one, a deserving one, something you deserve the most. So you need to let that conscious universe or God or that higher spirit help you to co-create it today. So when you give up all that expectations in this connection, that is what is going to happen today, guys. And this crystal spirit, it helps us to see things that we do not see normally. Maybe it just means that we must see things with our heart, not with our mind. When we do that, we will see a beautiful world, a beautiful circumstance today. And that is the energy with this crystal spirit card for y'all, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for y'all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.